Oh, wow. Well, that's sort of apropos of a Rohs Opera House. It's a picture of a violin. The door's just opened again. Closet? Do you mean to say that the creaking doors that I have heard behind me are not the doors to the hallway? They're the doors to the closet? Is there something in the closet? Oh my God. It's definitely the doors going out to the hallway. Is there someone behind me?
Nurse.
There's a nurse behind me. Well, that's good to know. I might need one if I have a heart attack.